You ever notice two people enter the same room, same vibe? One gets instant respect, while the other gets interrupted, teased, ignored. Disrespect isn't random, it's a response to signals you're sending. And the scary part? People learn fast. I used to be walked over. Friends cancelled last minute, I'd say, no worries while swallowing it. Someone made me the joke, so I laughed along, like I wasn't bothered. Today, I'm going to show you 4 signals to stop sending. Not stand-up straight advice. Not fake confidence. Real scripts you can use today, exact words to use instead. I used to be the person people walked over. Someone would cut me off mid-sentence. So I'd talk faster. I'd talk faster too. Yeah. Well, actually, so if I can understand what I said, maybe if I can understand so much, we don't mind if the guy said, I don't know. Friends would cancel last minute. So I'd say, no worries, while swallowing the disrespect. Someone would make me the joke, so I'd laugh along, like I wasn't bothered. And yeah, it bothered me, every time. What changed wasn't becoming louder or meaner. It was realizing I was training people to keep pushing. I wasn't too nice. I was too rewarding. I rewarded disrespect with big reactions, instant access, and self-explanations. When I stopped, the same people adjusted. Fast. So let's get into it. Here's the frame. Respect isn't a vibe, it's a pattern. You teach people what to expect from you in small moments you repeat. This makes you less easy, but harder to disrespect. Alright, signal number 1. When someone disrespects you, most people explode, argue, defend, explain, or they laugh it off, pretend it's fine, then feel awful later. Both reactions teach the same lesson. You can do it again. When someone gets a big emotional payoff from poking you, they'll keep poking. Your new rule is simple. Name it once, then stop. No speech, no debate, no courtroom presentation. You're removing the reward. Hey, don't talk to me like that. That comment's not okay with me. Say the line. Hold eye contact, then let silence do the work. That was disrespectful. That was rude. Strong. We're not doing that. Stop. That's not how you speak to me. They say, I'm just kidding. You say, I'm not laughing. Or, then tell a different joke. They say, you're too sensitive. You say, maybe, still not okay. They say, relax, it's not that deep. You say, it's deep enough. Or, cool. Then it's easy to stop. The biggest mistake is adding a second paragraph. One line, then silence. If you only do one thing from this entire video, do that. Now, signal number 2. This one is sneaky. Stop being instantly available. If you're always reachable, always replying, always saying yes, people misread it. A lot of people read, this person has no boundaries. When your time looks cheap, you get treated cheaply. Now, signal number 3, next. This isn't about playing games. It's about communicating your life doesn't pause. You're not hiding. You're not punishing. You're just not offering 24/7 access. Availability should be intentional, not automatic. Got it. I'll reply when I'm free. In the middle of something, I'll get back to you. I'll check later and let you know. Can't talk right now. I'll call you back. Or, I'm tied up. What's up? Requests. Let me look at my week. I'll tell you after I check. I can do Thursday at 7. If that changes last minute, we'll do it another time. If they push back, why didn't you answer? I was busy. I wasn't on my phone. No apology speech. No detailed explanation. You're allowed to be unavailable. Don't turn this into a power play. You're not trying to manipulate people. You're training one message. My time matters. Now, signal number 3. If someone treats you badly and nothing happens, they learn. That's allowed. The more it's allowed, the more it becomes the relationship. A boundary without a response is just a wish. Address it the first time. Calmly. Clearly. Not 3 weeks later in a meltdown. You don't need aggression. You need consistency. Situation A. They cancel last minute. Again. That's the third time you've canceled last minute. That doesn't work for me. If it happens again, I'm not rescheduling. Short, clean, no drama. Situation B. Someone talks over you constantly. Hold on. I wasn't finished. If it keeps happening, if you keep interrupting, I'm not continuing. Situation C. A coworker takes credit for your work. Just to clarify, I did that part. Or, I led that piece. Happy to walk through what I built. Reality. Notice, you're not attacking, you're correcting reality. Situation D. Family member makes a nasty comment. Don't speak to me like that. If it continues, I'm leaving this conversation. Then actually do it. Situation E. Someone jokes disrespectfully in front of others, not funny, or that's not a joke to me. Then move on. When they test you, expect pushback. They'll say, you're being dramatic. You say, no, I'm being clear. They'll say, wow, you changed. You say, yeah, I did. People don't fight boundaries because they're wrong. They fight because they're new. If they adjust, great. If they don't, also great. Now you know who they are. Now, signal number 4. This is the most powerful one. The hidden disrespect magnet. Over-explaining, over-defending, over-justifying. When someone questions you and you launch a 5-minute speech, you signal doubt. You accidentally communicate, please approve me. People pick up on it immediately. The rule. You don't argue your worth. You assume it. You don't need to convince someone to treat you well. You decide what treatment you accept. When someone challenges your decision, I'm comfortable with my decision. I've decided. This is what I'm doing. When why is disrespectful, I don't need to justify it. Because it works for me. I'm not debating this. When someone tries to make you feel small. Okay. Pause, move on. You're entitled to your opinion. That line ends the game. I hear you. Noted. That's not the direction I'm going. These lines don't invite a debate. The biggest mistake is trying to win someone over. If someone is committed to misunderstanding you, you can't talk your way into respect. You remove access and remove rewards. When you stop proving, people either start treating you better or they stop showing up. Both outcomes are a win. Notice what all 4 signals have in common. You're not adding new skills, you're removing habits that make disrespect easy. Stop big reactions. Stop instant access. Stop allowing it. Stop auditioning. When you remove those habits, what's left is simple. A person who expects to be treated well. And that expectation becomes contagious. Here's how to make this real, without changing your whole personality overnight. Day 1 and 2, pick one line and memorize it. That was disrespectful. Or, don't talk to me like that. Say it once, then stop talking. Your only job. Say it once, then stop. That's it. Day 3 to 4, add signal number 2. Stop the instant replies. Use, I'll get back to you, and actually get back to them later. You're training your nervous system that it's safe to not jump. Start to add signal number 3. Address the next line crossing immediately, with a consequence, not a threat. If it happens again, I'm not doing this. Then you follow through. Bonus rule for all 7 days. Cut your explanations in half. If you say 10 sentences, say 5. If 5, say 2. If 2, say 1. Confidence isn't loud. It's brief. If you take nothing else from this, you don't get respected by begging for it. You get respected by what you allow and what you stop rewarding. Pick one signal. Use one script today. Watch the dynamic change. When you stop playing your old role, everything shifts. People adjust fast when you remove the reward. If this helped, subscribe for more practical scripts like this.